Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new wireless headphones to show you all from Skullcandy. Skullcandy has just launched their brand new lineup of wireless headphones called the Hesh ANC, and the best part about them is it's got active noise cancellation support, guys. Thing is, ANC headphones are like quite expensive in Indian market, guys. Like most of them cost around like 20 to 25,000 rupees. But Skullcandy is trying to bring this ANC feature at an affordable price segment. The Hesh ANC wireless headphones with ANC cost like less than half the price of these category headphones, guys, and that is what I'm really looking forward to check out in this video. So today I'll unbox it and show you how these headphones look and sound like. Let's get started. So here is Skullcandy's brand new active noise cancelling headphones called the Hesh ANC. These are available in two different colors, and I actually have both the variants over here on my desk to show you in this video. One is the standard black variant and the other one is a mod white color. I'll unbox both of these colors, put them side by side and show you how they look like. So the new headphones from Skullcandy come in this sort of box packaging. The model is called as Hesh ANC and we even have a picture of the product on the front. Very nice packaging, I'll have to say. And talking about the features, as mentioned earlier, it's got active noise cancellation support, offers up to 22 hours of battery life, supports rapid charging as well, and there's a special built-in feature using which you can easily locate your headphones no matter where you place them. So that's it, those were some of its highlights. Now going to the backside, you've just got some info regarding the product. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. There we go. Now let's open it and check out the product. As you can see, the packaging quality is pretty good. On the bottom, we've got some paperwork. Looks like a user guide. Just make sure to read that. And here are the headphones. Come inside this carry case. The material looks pretty nice. You can tell that it's a premium product just by looking at it. Along with that, you also get a warranty card. The brand offers you 1 year warranty with this product. Keeping that aside, there's a small accessory box as well, which includes some more paperwork, a USB-C cable for charging, and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out our brand new headphones from Skullcandy called the Hesh ANC. Oh wow, I'm unboxing the white color variant first because these look awesome. I really dig that white and creamish brown color combination. So the Hesh ANC are a Bluetooth 5.0 wireless headphones and my god, these look beautiful. It's definitely got that premium vibe to it. The headphones weigh around 228 grams and have a minimalistic yet decent looking design. The whole body is made of high quality polycarbonate material in a two-tone finish. It's like a mix between matte and glossy surface all over the body. It doesn't look like these attract a lot of fingerprints and feels solid and durable in the hand. I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but you've got the Skullcandy's logo over here, and going to the top there's nothing written except a glossy area on the surface. And as I've told you before, the Hesh ANC have a foldable design so you can easily fold and carry them anywhere. And have a look at these ear cups. They've got good quality memory foam ear cups that feel really soft and spongy to touch. Going to the top, you've got some padding on the headband as well. Feels cushiony, but I would have preferred a little bit more cushion for extra comfort. Alright, now let me show you all the media control buttons on it. There's a special button to the side to toggle ANC or ambient sound mode, volume up, volume down, and media play pause button. The quality of the buttons is also good, feel tactile and clicky. And beside that, you've got a USB-C port for charging and a 3.5mm aux port. And as mentioned earlier, these headphones have 4 mics on board to offer you a great ANC experience. But that is something I'll be telling you at a later part in the video. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just put them on and talk about the comfort and the sound. The Hesh ANC are quite lightweight, weighing at only around 228 grams and feel really nice and comfortable while wearing. Had no issues even on long sessions of usage. Now coming to the sound, these new wireless headphones feature Skullcandy's signature 40mm drivers, and I have to say, the sound quality is awesome for the price. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocal clarity was great, and you could easily hear and understand all the dialogues. See, I played a variety of music on it like hip-hop, classical, and even EDM music, and I was quite impressed as to how well it was delivering the sound. The instrument separation and even the sound stage was well defined and wide. And talking about the low frequency response, wow, the bass was awesome. It was producing punchy bass and yet not overwhelming the other frequencies. Coming to the treble, The high frequency response was also nice, but at times I felt it was slightly a bit tinny and on the sharp end. Nevertheless, for the price that you're paying, you'll be quite satisfied with the audio. The distortion also minimum up to 95% volume level, and the audio output also loud and sufficient. Now let me tell you about the ANC's performance. These wireless headphones offer active noise cancellation, and the ANC on them was doing a pretty good job. When you turn it on, it cuts down all the unnecessary low frequency background noises like the fan noise, wind noise, and stuff like that, and lets you purely enjoy only your music. See, do not compare the ANC on this with the super expensive Sony or Bose variants. In this price segment, the Hesh ANC was offering best in class ANC performance and was greatly reducing the low frequency background noise. One thing I have to mention that I've noticed is when you turn ANC on, the punchiness of the bass is slightly being reduced, and it goes back to normal when you turn ANC off. And talking about the microphone, the headphones do have a built-in microphone and the mic quality was decent during call conversations. Alright, let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life on these headphones is very impressive. On an average at 75% volume level with ANC turned on, I was easily getting around like 20 to 21 hours of continuous music playtime. That is crazy good, right? And if you turn ANC off, you'll get even higher battery life. And not to forget, it's got rapid charging support as well. That means the brand says that a 10-minute charge will offer you up to 3 hours of music playtime. Well guys, that was my video on Skullcandy's new active noise cancelling wireless headphones, the Hesh ANC. If you're looking for an ANC headphones around 10,000 rupees with great sound, deep bass and excellent battery life, this is what you might want. The only thing I'd say is these headphones lack a proper app support guys. So you can't tune or adjust EQ profiles on it. Anyways, these cost around like 10,999 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.